Hello to all, Jonathan here, and in this video I will share my reviews about this new crypto project called STEPN. So isa ito sa bagong crypto projects na nag-start lang din last 2021 August under the move to earn sector. So basically, move to earn is a concept na kung saan every time you walk or you move, you make money by getting cryptocurrencies. Now, in my channel, most likely, I talk about different topics about cryptocurrency para doon sa mga kababayan natin na gusto matuto in the simplest way. And in this video, I'll be talking about different things including what's this project all about, how STEPN works, and at the same time, how can you make money by walking or by running. And before anything else, disclaimer that this video is not sponsored or paid for by this company. This video is for educational purposes only. And remember that nothing in this video is considered financial advice. And at the end of this video, you are still encouraged to do your own research. So with that, let's begin. Now, this project is called STEPN. So, if you go to their website, that's stepn.com, makikita natin dito yung kanyang yung mga informations about the project. Where basically, what they're claiming is that it's a Web3 lifestyle app na pinaghalo yung power ng social-fi and GameFi elements. And again, like what I've said kanina, it's under move to earn concept or sector, wherein players or users could potentially make money if you walk, jog, or run outside. So, kumbaga, hindi ka ikita kung nasa bahay ka lang or nakaupo ka lang. But, the way they've created the project is for you to become healthy and fit, and at the same time, you make money by earning cryptocurrencies kapag ka gumagalaw ka. So, that's why it's called move to earn. Now, kung titignan ko yung concept nila, it's like parang pinaghalo nila yung concept ng play to earn, Pokemon Go with augmented reality, ng GameFi, ng DeFi, at marami pang sectors in the crypto space. Wherein, I believe that ang target nila dito ay yung mga tao na, who wanted to who wanted to stay healthy and fit at the same time. Pero, because they've used cryptocurrency, so meaning you make money by doing this sort of things. Now, if we scroll further down here, makikita naman natin yung roadmap ng kanilang project, and almost kakastart lang din ng project nila last August 2021, and right now, nasa second or first quarter pa lang tayo ng 2022. So wherein, I believe they've already launched their app, and meron na rin sila marketplace, and nagkaroon na rin sila ng IEO and IDO. So for those of you who doesn't know what's IEO, it means Initial Exchange Offering, and IDO means Initial DEX Offering. And now, if we scroll it down here, makikita naman natin who are the people behind their team members, company, and sino yung kanilang mga advisor. And if you have time, maybe right after this, I do recommend you do some check or background check para lang may idea ka who are the people working with this project. And here, if we scroll it down, makikita natin yun naman yung kanilang mga partners, including si Koya, Binance, and I'm sure kilala natin yan, then Solana also, Solana Ventures, Alameda, at marami pang iba. So they have more than 5 partners, and I believe marami pang pumapasok, and these are, or some of them are venture capitalists who are working in the crypto space. So this time, i-visit naman natin yung white paper ng STEPN. So here yung overview yung kanina diniscuss ko. Now, if you notice, here sa ilalim meron silang token. So dalawa yung token ng company, it's GMT and GST. So basically, GMT is the STEPN token. This is their governance token wherein you can participate doon sa mga votings and other stuff. And yung GST naman, ito naman yung kanilang utility token. So para tong SLP sa kung nag-Axie Infinity ka. So every time you move, you run, or you jog, ito yung nare-receive mong token. And para ma-check natin to, if we go to coingecko.com, for your information, under siya ng move to earn. So, if we click move to earn, lalabas yung STEPN. And, right now, na kinikreate natin tong video na ito, it's at $2.23 with 1.3 billion market cap. So, almost nasa high cap na siya. But for me, I think it's still new. Masyado pang baby ito kasi nga kakastart na nila last year. Circulating supply is at 600 million and maximum supply is at 6 billion. And pag kinilik natin yung markets, ito yung mga platforms naman where you can buy, trade this cryptocurrency. So, most likely, makikita mo to. If you want to buy, sa Binance, pwede mo siyang i-trade. You can also sell it on Binance. Marami pang iba. Gate.io, KuCoin, available din siya. Hubi yan, mga top platforms. And if we click overview naman, Okay, let's check ano yung kanyang all-time high. So, ang all-time high niya, umabot na siya ng $3.08 nitong April lang. So, I think for me, this is still new and it seems na meron pa tong potential. This time, i-check naman natin yung Green Satoshi token or GST wherein this is their token or rewards na marireceive ng mga users if they participate doon sa project. Now, kung if you're familiar with Axie Infinity, para tong yung SLP ngayon ni STEPN. Current market cap niya is at $32 million which for me, still mababa pa siya. Ang circulating supply niya nasa 7 million maximum or total is at 10 pero almost yung kanyang maximum supply naman ay unlimited. So meaning, wala siyang cap. Now, overview natin. All-time high niya is what? All-time high is at 5.45. So medyo bumaba siya recently. And if you check na may markets niya, these are the platforms where you can buy and trade this token. Now, let's go back sa white paper and check natin tong section naman na to. So, for you to participate, para makastart ka dito, meron silang application na kailangan mo i-download. You just need to create your wallet and kailangan mo lang daw mag-transfer ng Sol or Solana since it's powered or under Solana contract. And another thing, para makapag-participate ka sa project, you need to buy their NFT Sneakers. So, this is not an actual sneaker. So, this is an NFT. Kumbaga, you cannot participate. Actually, pwede naman. You can download the app for free. Then, you can start using the app. But if you don't have any NFT doon sa account mo, then you can earn GST. So, meaning, kailangan mo ng NFT, which is they call it sneakers, for you to acquire GST. So, check naman natin tong game mode. So, meron silang tatlong klaseng mode, which the first one is solo mode, the second one is marathon mode, which is still under development, and yung huli, yung background mode. Under development pa rin siya at the moment. But I believe this one, the solo mode, is now available. And kung meron ka ng NFT, meron ka na sneakers doon sa account mo, and if you walk, jog, you run, you can already start acquiring cryptocurrencies and convert that to PHP or other cryptocurrencies para mag-gain cash siya. Now, kung papansin niyo dito, yung sneakers na bibilin mo, which is the NFT, meron siyang different attributes or stats. So, depending kung ano yung sneaker na binili mo, then doon din nakadepende kung magkano yung kikitain mo. So, I suggest again, if you have time right after this, basahin niyo itong white paper. Siguro, ilalagay ko rin sa description box below yung link ng mga discuss natin kanina, including yung website, yung white paper. And part of the attributes, meron dito yung efficiency, yung luck, yung comfort, so and resilient. So, kumbaga, depende dun sa sneakers na meron ka, kung ano yung magiging attributes nung NFT na hawakan mo. And dun din nakadepende kung ano yung magiging returns or profit mo. Kung baga, yung magiging energy mo, stamina, and at the same time, ilang percent yung or ng token yung marireceive mo. Now, pag in-scroll down naman natin here sa ilalim, so mapapansin nyo dito, there are different types of sneakers. May walker, may jogger, may runner, may trainer. So, kumbaga, each of them, iba-iba yung speed tsaka yung base return kapag ka nag-purchase ka ng NFT nila. Now, maybe, pwede mong itanong this time, paano naman matatrack ni platform or ni STEPN kung yung mga users ay talaga naglalakad, tumatakbo, or nagja-jog, at hindi nandadaya kasi pwede kang sumakay, 'di ba, sa sakyan or eroplano, then you make money, right? Because it's moving, 'di ba? But because I believe this is they're using GPS and some sort of AI to track yung mga users, so I think you cannot cheat the system, you cannot cheat the app. So I'm sure meron yan. Kumbaga, enjoy while using the app, enjoy while running, jogging, and walking at the same time. Now, pag-usapan natin naman tong part ng sneaker level. So this is one of the fun part, and at the same time, this is the part where sneakers or STEPN, dito na papasok yung kanilang burning mechanism. So, one way to burn yung GST, of course, para hindi mag-oversupply. Now, you can use GST to upgrade or to level up your sneakers. So, kumbaga parang, di ba, sa Axie Infinity, kung nag-breed ka na Axie, you're using SLP. But here, ang ginagamit mo to level up your sneaker is yung GST. And I believe this could help eventually and in the future to increase the price of the token. Although not financial advice, depende, maraming factors yan. But again, since I'm also new, I'm also learning by having this kind of session. So, kung ano lang muna yung makikita natin dito, yun muna i-share ko sa inyo. Now, let's talk about earning cap and mechanics. So, dito sa solo mode, if you notice, meron tong maximum cap or maximum energy cap. So, kumbaga, hindi ka pwedeng kumita rin naman dito ng unlimited. So, meron tong limit. Depende again doon sa mode na ginagawa mo, doon sa sneakers na meron ka. Meron limit per user lang na pwede ka ma-acquire na GST. And part of that, para naman ma-burn yung token, yung kanina, so you can use that token to level up your sneakers. Now, if you click naman marketplace, so I think yung marketplace is up. So pag meron ka ng app, which I cannot register at the moment kasi medyo pahirapan yata yung pagkuha ng code. So but I will create na lang siguro a next video for that one. But here's one fun part dito sa app or sa project, because meron siyang rental system. So para tong scholarship, no? Well, if you're familiar with Axie Infinity. Siguro ang maganda dito, no, eventually what's going to happen is marami kayo, then you go somewhere, nag-jug kayo, nagra-run kayo, and you're just monitoring your app, and all of you are making money and staying fit at the same time. Kumbaga, kumikita ka na, healthy ka pa. And that's why they've incorporated social fi. So hindi lang nasa bio mga tao, nagiging introvert, diba? So this is, for me, I think the concept is also to make you socialize with other people. So maganda to kapag kami mga, diba, active knowledge yung mga events, yung mga gatherings outside, then just simply use your app or log into your app, then start making money. Tokenomics, again, na-discuss na natin kanina ito, but again, right after this, I suggest basahin nyo to, yung white paper, so that alam nyo rin yung ibang information. Now, to summarize this project, again, STEPN is a move to earn concept. So, kumbaga, it's a concept which could help you make money every time you walk, you run, you jog. Pero kailangan meron kang sneakers. It's their NFT for you to participate and for you to make money or earn cryptocurrencies. Now, pwede ka bang kumita or pwede mo bang gamitin yung app even if you don't have sneakers? So, meron ako nabasa na you can participate doon sa app, pwede mong gamitin, pero if you don't have an NFT, hindi ka pwedeng kumita o hindi pwede mag-generate ng GST yung account mo. Unless if you participate or if you buy the sneakers, then pwede kang kumita kapag ka may NFT ka na doon sa account mo. And maybe in my next video, I will talk about siguro yung prices naman ng mga NFT nila, magkano and ano yung mga returns kapag ka, let's say, bumili ka ng ganitong klaseng sneaker, then ano yung magiging return nito sa'yo. Now, thoughts and conclusion, I think this is still a new project, so marami pang pwedeng i-develop. However, I do not suggest that you enter the project without doing your own research. So, kumbaga, basahin mo yung white paper, you check some threads or your informations on the internet. But for me kasi, since this is a new project, so merong potential in the future. So maybe a year from now, 2 years from now, I don't know. This could be one of the biggest project in the crypto space. Again, not financial advice, pero yun lang tingin ko. So in the meantime, yun muna. But here's the thing. If you have comment suggestions or gusto nyong gawin ko na video, siguro next part nito, let me know in the comment section so that I have an idea ano yung mga pwede natin ilagay na information. And if you think nakatulong sa inyo itong video na to, so feel free to share it with your friends. And at the same time, para ma-notify kayo naman on next video, i-click nyo lang yung bell button sa ilalim and please feel free to subscribe na rin in my channel. And I hope sana nakatulong tong video na ito. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.